Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best cameras for YouTube in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best budget or the best action camera, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Panasonic Lumix FZ80. This is our best budget camera for YouTube. The Panasonic Lumix FZ80 gives you a respectable 18.1 megapixel MOS sensor and impressive 60 times zoom lens with a range of 20 to 1220 millimeters. It also features an optical image stabilizer that will let you capture far-off subjects in stunning detail. This camera's high-resolution 1170K dot viewfinder is accompanied by a rear 3-inch touch 1040 dot LCD screen. This makes it easy to see all of the subjects you're shooting or filming even in bright sunlight. The 4K QFHD video recording feature lets you record videos at an amazing 3840 by 2160 resolution. You also have the option of recording 4K photos at 30 frames per second. One of the most incredible things about this camera is its low light performance. You can take amazing quality photos even in the dark. The Wi-Fi connectivity lets you transfer the photos and videos you take to your smartphone or tablet without any cables or hassle whatsoever. The post-focus feature with 4K technology lets you set the focus points you want after the picture has been taken. There are a number of different focus points for you to choose from. This makes it easier to get the high-quality photos you want. The features include touch display. This camera's LCD touch display gives you a very bright and sharp look at everything the camera sees, as well as previews of your photos and videos. High-resolution viewfinder. The 1170K dot viewfinder also provides you with a clear look at your subjects for easier shooting. Focus stacking. The focus stacking feature that this camera offers gives you the ability to change the depth of field for each photo you take. The pros are large zoom range. The huge zoom range of this camera lets you take great-looking pictures at just about any distance. Detailed video. This camera's 4K video recording gives you high-quality playback that is incredibly smooth and detailed. Wi-Fi connectivity. You can use your compatible mobile devices as a remote control for snapping off group photos and selfies. And for the cons, the absence of an EVF eye sensor isn't that big of a deal, but it's still a little disappointing. Coming in at around $300, the Panasonic Lumix FZ80 has a wide variety of modern features that enable you to take the best quality photos and videos. It even performs exceptionally well in low-light environments, so you always get amazing pictures. The 4th product on our list is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is our best action camera for YouTube. The GoPro Hero 7 Black uses hypersmooth video stabilization to compensate for shake to provide you with clear and detailed photos. It also has a time warp video feature that you can use to capture smooth time-lapse videos. You have the option of increasing the speed up to 30 times for longer activities and events. The 4K video that you can record at 60 frames per second is nothing short of impressive. The video playback is always very clear and looks great as a whole. You'll have the option of recording full HD video as well. The Super Photo feature automatically applies HDR using noise reduction technology to optimize every single photo you take. The local tone mapping also helps with smoothing out your pictures for a better overall look. This camera supports voice control, so you don't even have to use your hands to perform a variety of functions. You'll be able to start and stop recording with your voice alone. The live streaming feature allows you to live stream your videos to social media sites like Facebook for all of your friends and family to see. There's also an intuitive touchscreen that you can use with numerous capture modes for taking the best quality videos and still shots. It will give you a clear look at everything the camera sees. The features include photo timer. The timer feature this camera offers makes it easy to take group photos on all of your adventures. Voice control. You can start and stop recording as well as a number of other things by using your voice alone. Vertical shooting. You also have the option of recording video and taking photos vertically in portrait mode. The pros are stunning video quality. The 4K video you can record with this device looks simply amazing. Great UI. This camera's user interface is very simple and straightforward. Compact. The small dimensions and light weight of this camera make it very compact and easy to take around with you anywhere. And for the cons, this camera sometimes has problems recognizing voice commands, which can be a bit frustrating at times. Coming in at around $350, this GoPro camera will help you capture all of the action in smooth and detailed video. It also takes good quality photos, performing well even in low light environments. This is definitely a great camera for those who spend a lot of time outdoors. The 3rd product on our list is the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i features an impressive 45-point all-cross-type optical viewfinder autofocus system that makes taking high-quality photos easier than ever. It also has a dual-pixel CMOS autofocus with phase detection. This allows you to see everything the camera does with complete coverage. This camera's wireless connectivity includes Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth. You can send the photos and videos you take to your compatible mobile devices in just seconds. You'll definitely love being able to share everything you take on the fly with friends and family. The Feature Assistant helps you get familiarized with all of this camera's features when you're just starting out. This will help you figure out how everything works in a very simple and easy to understand way. It takes you step by step with how to use everything so you can get the most out of this camera. We really like the fact that you can use so many different lenses with this camera. There are STM lenses, wide-angle lenses, prime lenses, telephoto lenses, and macro lenses. This lets you take the best possible pictures in any shooting environment. The 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor this camera uses means that it can take great-looking photos with minimal effort. The features include wireless connectivity. The numerous wireless connectivity options make it easy to transfer photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet quickly. Feature Assistant. The Feature Assistant helps you learn how to use various features this camera offers within seconds. Continuous shooting. You can shoot continuously with this camera at up to 6 frames per second. The pros are incredible autofocus. This camera's 45-point autofocus locks onto your subjects quickly for clear and detailed photos every single time. Great touchscreen design. The LCD touchscreen this camera offers will give you a sharp picture when previewing the photos and videos you have taken. Easy to use. Everything about this camera makes it incredibly easy to use, even for photography novices. And for the cons, the lack of 4K video recording might be a deal breaker for some people. Coming in at around $700, the Canon EOS Rebel T7i allows you to record full HD 1080p video and high-quality photos with minimal effort. This camera is perfect for beginners because of how easy to use it is. It has a very versatile design with tons of different lenses you can use to step up your photo-taking game. The second product on our list is the Sony a7 III. The Sony a7 III uses an advanced 24.2 megapixel BSI full-frame image sensor with 1.8 times readout speed for quick and accurate overall performance. It is capable of taking ultra-high quality photos even in low-light conditions. The ISO range of 50 to 204,800 makes it easy to take the kinds of photos you want. This camera's advanced autofocus system features 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points with an amazing 93% image coverage. You'll have absolutely no problem with taking stunning photos on a regular basis. These autofocus technologies give you consistently impressive performance. You can record breathtaking 4K HDR video with this camera that you really have to see to believe. It offers over 2.4 times higher oversampling with support for instant HDR workflow. If video quality is important to you, this camera is certainly a good option to consider. The dual SD slots that this camera features will provide you with plenty of data storage for all of your photos and videos. There's also a 3-inch tilting LCD screen with a responsive touch interface. This display is very easy to adjust, allowing you to get the perfect viewing angle no matter what. The features include dual SD card slots. The 2 SD card slots that this camera offers will provide you with plenty of storage for the videos and photos you take. Tilt LCD screen. You can tilt this camera's LCD display to different angles for maximum visibility when shooting in live view mode. Focus joystick. The focus joystick this camera also features will give you the ability to adjust focus on the fly without much effort. The pros are silent shooting. This camera barely makes a sound even when you're zooming in. 4K HDR video. You can expect the very best quality video playback from all of your recordings with this camera. Excellent stabilization. The 5-axis stabilization system reduces blur and distortion to preserve the quality of your photos and videos. And for the cons, the lack of in-body flash isn't that big of a deal, but it can be somewhat of a hindrance when shooting in low-light environments. Coming in at around $1,200, the Sony a7 III has a very impressive overall design that delivers extraordinarily high-quality photos and 4K video. It is also easy to use and doesn't take much time to get used to. This camera's advanced autofocus system guarantees top-notch performance on a consistent basis. The first product on our list is the Nikon D850. The Nikon D850 has a 45.7 megapixel image sensor that gives you outstanding resolution for every single photo you take. The 9 frames per second continuous shooting at full resolution gives you the ability to capture key moments when the action is happening. You will also be able to record 8K6 and 4K Ultra HD video with a time-lapse movie option for longer events. The overall video quality is nothing short of impressive. You can always expect extremely clear and detailed playback all the time. There's also a slow-motion video recording mode that can be useful. You can shoot in 1080p at 120 frames per second as well. This camera's tilting touchscreen has a very versatile design that lets you get the ideal viewing angle no matter what. There's also focus shift shooting mode, which lets you adjust the focus to match your needs in any environment. This display has a 46.89 million pixel design, providing you with a very sharp overall picture. The X-Speed 5-image processor that this camera uses is much faster than the previous version. It offers a much wider dynamic range and lower noise for better overall video quality. This is ultimately what makes the performance of this camera so impressive as a whole. The features include locked-on subject tracking. This camera's subject tracking autofocus gives you the ability to lock onto your subjects quickly with the utmost accuracy. Manual focus. There's also a manual focus option that gives you complete control over how each of your photos turns out. Time-lapse. You can record beautiful time-lapse videos for longer events, recording every single detail with absolute clarity. The pros are incredible autofocus system. The autofocus system this camera uses gives you consistently fast and accurate overall performance. Large viewfinder. This camera's large and very bright viewfinder makes it much easier to take great-looking photos. Excellent battery life. You can take up to 800 photos with this camera before recharging is necessary. And for the cons, the live view focusing this camera offers isn't quite as good as what some of its competitors offer. Coming in at around $3,000, the Nikon D850 measures 5.8 by 3.1 by 4.9 inches with a total weight of 2.02 pounds. This makes it fairly easy to carry around with you all day long. It is a very powerful camera with the latest image processing technology for optimal performance at all times. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.